Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, I'm going to show you how to enter the startup menu for this laptop. So in the startup menu, that's where you actually change the booting device and other BIOS settings for the laptop. So just restarting the laptop now. So once this is powering up, you just continue pressing down on the escape key on the keyboard. Right, so as you can see there, startup menu. So this is how you actually enter the startup menu for this HP laptop. In the description section of the video, that's where I'll be definitely posting giving you the exact model number. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.